Hello everyone, welcome to our new channel. So today you are gonna learn that how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction. So over here we have an improper fraction which is 27 by 7 as you can see. So we need to convert this into an mixed fraction. So first of all, the formula is that you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. So first of all, let us take here 27 divided by 7. So let's start dividing this. So 7 into 3 equals to 21. Here we subtract this from 27. 27 minus 21 equals to 6 as you know it. So let's start it. The formula is this: QR by P. So over here Q is your quotient, R is your remainder, and D is your divisor. So let's just figure this out. Q is your whole number equals to quotient is your whole number. So in this one division, which is your quotient? Here you go. This 3 is your quotient. So we have to take 3 as your whole number. Here you go. So we have got our whole number and now we have to figure out the fraction. So the numerator is the remainder. So in this division, what is your remainder? As you can see, it is 6. So here we take 6 as our numerator and the denominator is going to be same of the improper fraction. So whenever we change an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, keep it in your mind always that you have to keep the denominator same as before. If you change the denominator in exam, you will lose some marks. So don't do this. So we have to just keep the denominator as before, and in the formula also it's like that only: quotient remainder by divisor, and by before only our divisor is the before one denominator. So here we add the denominator as 7. So it was too much easy for us to figure out this one mixed fraction, which is 6 by 7, and from 27 by 7. So if this video was helpful for you, then please subscribe to our channel and you will get these kind of videos regularly. So please ask your doubts in the comment section. So meet you in the next video. Bye.